Tonight, the push for answers continues after a man was beaten during a traffic stop in Clayton County. But the flow of information from the sheriff has seemingly stopped since he reported the deputy who punched Roderick Walker had been fired. 11 Alive's Naima Abdullahi talked with Walker's attorney, who says he's not getting any additional information from the sheriff either.
Attorney Sean Williams, a partner at the Cochran firm, says his client Roderick Walker is still being held on probation charges in Fulton County. And he takes issues with the Fulton County Sheriff's Office for releasing information about his client.
That started when Sheriff Hill, in releasing that he terminated the deputy, he also goes out and released his criminal history.
Williams says that Walker's previous arrest started to surface after Sheriff Victor Hill announced the deputy who struck Walker was terminated.
So this is not about his past. He served his time. He's been a productive citizen, a loving father, a loving son. But now we got to deal with those issues, and nothing about his past is why he's in jail.
11 Alive submitted a formal request for the body cam video, the incident report, possible surveillance footage, and identities of the deputies. Under the law, the sheriff's office has 72 hours to respond. As the waiting game continues, the law firm says they're also waiting for that same evidence.
Are you having better luck than us?
No, the sheriff works for the community. We have sent an open records request requesting personnel files, the identification of these deputies involved, the police report, the basic thing that is the essence of why they said they filed criminal charges, the warrant. None of that stuff has been released. That is troubling. It shows that there's something up.
11 Alive has repeatedly requested an interview with the sheriff, but we have not heard back. Williams says community members are now starting to reach out to his team on similar alleged incidents.
We've had numerous people come forward to say that they've been assaulted, they've been treated unjustly by these same deputies involved in this case.